Day 2, Freiburg. It's raining. I think it's going to be a soggy one today, unless it perks up in the Black Forest, which is not likely. Yeah, the waterproofs are going to be doing their job, I think. Freiburg was nice. I got here a bit late last night. Got here about 7. Maybe wasn't out the hotel till about 8, so I think I missed the good stuff. Got some food, had a few beers, but yeah, onwards to the Black Forest today, which will be good. And then Heidelberg, Baden-Baden in between that. I kind of got a route for today, but I'm just gonna ride and see where the Black Forest takes me. I think that's probably the best approach because there's that many roads. Obviously there's the B500 or whatever it is, but yeah, try and find some nice views and stuff. It's very wet. Gonna put the Krieger and the Lomo panniers to the test today, I think. Not so much worried about me, but the stuff inside, you know, clothes and shit like that. Documents, but they've never let me down before. I have faith. So yeah, time to get out of this car park and into the rain. Let's do this. Hello. Yay! Goodbye, Heidelberg. No. You tell I don't know what day it is. Goodbye, Freiburg. I have a green light, don't I? Yeah. It was fun while it lasted. I am sweating. Like, it's not that cold, but because it's pissing down. I put the other liner in my jacket thinking it'll be cold, which it might still get cold, to be fair. And yeah, I think I'm just stressed. Yes, this lane does go straight on. Let's go. Oh, where are you going? Oh, car park. Okay. Yeah, so some Black Forest fun today, hopefully. Some Black Forest Gateau. Probably won't have any, but I'm just going to take it easy. Yesterday was a really, really big day. Probably shouldn't have, in hindsight, done that many miles. I don't feel bad, I feel okay. But yeah. Just a bit. I think it was more mental. You letting him go? Yes. More of a mental thing yesterday. It was a big thing for me, and it possibly got on top of me a bit too much. Sat-nav actually knows where I am today. That was the other thing yesterday. The bloody sat-nav absolutely died on me. Just didn't know where. It was just no GPS signal, so it didn't know where I was. But hopefully I won't really need it that much today, because I'll just be following the road north anywhere. Just get me anywhere in the Black Forest, basically. I'm going to go via Freiamt, however you say it. Freiamt. Wolfach. Up the B500 probably. And then Baden-Baden, maybe some back roads up there, and then Heidelberg. That's why I'm getting my towns mixed up, because I don't know what fucking day it is. It's Tuesday. I thought it was Monday. The ferry has totally messed me up. What's going on here? Are you coming in? Okay. So yeah, boring bit probably, but there we are. Speak to you soon. Some lovely roads. A lot of not quite a hairpin, but
A lot of this. Slow progress, I think, because I mean the road surface is good, and it's not. I can't feel the bike slipping or anything, but you just don't know, do you? Look at this. Stunning. All the low cloud and mist in between the trees and magical. I don't even know if I'm in the Black Forest yet. I suppose it's part of it, but lovely bit of road coming up, I think. As if say that as if they're not all lovely. Oh, it's just amazing. GoPro probably doesn't do it justice, but this is what you want to wake up for, isn't it? I got up this morning and I was like, but no, this is what I came for. Let's face it. Sorry, Freiburg, you were a byproduct of me just needing to get here. Whee! Oh my god. So, sorry locals if you get stuck behind me. I am driving like an old woman, which is offensive to old women. Oh my god! Look at that! Holy shit, there's just nowhere to stop. To be fair, if there were places to stop for photos, I'd never get anywhere. I'd spend about 2 hours just fucking taking photos. You'd be hard pushed to find roads like this in the UK, wouldn't you? Yeah, this is the appeal though, isn't it? This is why people come here. I don't know, I think I've realised with doing this, it does take a lot of balls. Whether people agree or don't agree, this has been just taking some guts to do, and I didn't really realise how much guts until I was on the ferry, and I was like, oh my god, this is it. Like, I'm not going to see home for alright, it's only 6 days, but it's a long time when I don't know, you're not from here. You don't really speak the language, like bits. Stay tuned for more of this, and that, and this, and maybe that. This is Volfak, and this is me stuck behind a coach. Volfak. Very German sounding name. Oh, thank you, coach. Thanks for going that way. Very kind of you. Volfak, just in case you didn't know. Have I said that? Yeah, Germany is Germany's very cool. It's very cool, isn't it? It's very nice. suppose this is Wolfach with its cobbled streets. Nice. Very pretty. Hello. Love it. Well, I made it to the B500, believe it or not. This is the B500. Oh my god. Absolute, yeah, the weather's been mental coming up here. Absolutely crazy. 1 minute it's raining, then it's misty, and then I suppose it's a forest, isn't it? It's going to happen. The climate, you're up and down, and the climate's going to change. And yeah. Woo! Isn't this mega? It is kind of cool, to be honest. I've been in a cloud for about half an hour. Yeah. Off to Baden-Baden then. It's cold. It's cool though. Cool that I've made it as well. Enjoying it, Bikey Ham? Yeah, you look alright. You're a bit wet, but you look alright. Safest place for you there, mate. Fucking hell. Right, let's do this. Right, I wish I could see, but maybe I will see. Maybe it'll clear up. Who knows? Just means I'll have to come back, doesn't it? I didn't see anything last time I came, so I'll have to go again. Jesus. I can see why it'd be a nice road though when you can see what you're fucking doing. Baden-Baden. Didn't really see anything of you after doing a 50-point turn. Navigate the post. Check for oncoming Porsches. Would be a problem. 1 hour to Heidelberg. There's motorbike parking right there. I just used that. Ooh, what are you doing? Oh, of course I haven't zipped the fucking thing up. Yeah, what a day. So we've done the B500. Can't really say that I know much about it because couldn't see a fucking thing. Which is a shame really, but you know, we can't have it all. It's now 2:30. So should be in Heidelberg for 3:30, which is a better time to get there than bloody 8 o'clock at fucking night like I did with Freiburg. It's pretty sweet. Just riding around German towns and stuff. I don't know what it is. It's just different, isn't it? Oh, this is fun. Heidelberg. There's a McDonald's. There was a Burger King back there. There's some pretty buildings up ahead. A lot of roadworks. Oh, looks cool. Just trying to find my hotel. Green light. Fucking tram lines. Now I missed what the sat nav was telling me to do. I think it was the second exit on the roundabout. Yeah, cool. Looks like well, this bit anyway looks a bit nicer than Freiburg. But what do I know? Second exit. This one. Ah, here we go. Premier Inn. Right, ticket. Neutral. Thank you. Ticket. You can mind that. Do do do. Do 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 do. Tasty juice. Drink it and convert it to pee. Premier Inn. Go over here. Sweet.
Premier Inn number 2, Heidelberg style. Not bad. A little bit of motivational tat on the walls. Quite a big room. Bit of German TV. Desk. Bed. Shit on the floor. Don't know what that is. Bin. Shitter. Not bad.